want, yeah, I'm good. I don't feel like she cheat. And if me don't know, that me I try to show you I don't know. So it doesn't look like say, oh, fuck with me and
Hey! You're too bad, man. And the man said, dang, Wolby.
At the beginning of 2025, in the 13-page
Yo, Nation Walk, once about aging, we're back in the building with another episode. Lena not in the building today. And before we get into anything, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Like up the video. You see me, I say, Nation, Vybz Kartel dropped the video for Miami episode. It's a good look for Vybz Kartel, you know what I mean? From Vybz Kartel come a road, him no top work. The man work ethic turn up. But it's a good look for the Gaza boss. Video look shot and everything. You tell me one thing about that video where Vybz Kartel dropped Miami episode. You tell me why next video you don't like to see Vybz Kartel do for your song when you in a prison when you never get to do a video say for his song.
Do all your squeeze, you can't have a million and you have to beg. No mind your friend, my pussy good, that is a pledge. If the boy not spend pan you, then him for dead. Hey girl, cheap man, no forget no head.
Nation Valiant face a lot of backlash based on the song where him sing about broke man for dead. Yo, Jaja. But anyways, a lot of people didn't like what Valiant said, and a lot of man take to the comment box at this of Valiant, as me I say, including 2 Locks have a lot to say about this situation. Let's take a listen.
All of you this and you that, make sure you get another song. And you will know kind of wicked girl into the bumbuckler world. When the money tap come in, it's a demon you're there with. Matter of fact, me approve the Valiant and the rest of them youth are idiot. Look on a little clip from an interview where Valiant do with Jeffrey. I'm sure them not serious about nothing what them say.
Me is a boy, me a real girl clown. Me just get her money see me. As long as me I get my pussy still in me not respond to she and her man, you know.
Me too emotional, dog. Me know a girl have her man, bro. And if I see them out or she post a picture with them, I just get corrupt, brother. Some still must get corrupt, that them thing that piss me off, bro. You see me? Yeah, them thing that piss me off, dog.
Them thing that
but sometimes I hold it still.
Them thing that not too bother me still. But the prayer say it not reach my back. That's all.
You can't pray for that thing.
Yeah.
No, don't even pray. Just no say.
Hope.
Just no say. If it reach, just open and know.
Boy.
Just
open
and
one
know.
that reach me too.
Just open and know.
Yeah, bro.
But that's how it goes. They say that never reach it. Or that I fuck on the real earth. Like really like Abby and also slack up.
You know, so I feel like me is a good man. I feel like I fall short in no way. I feel like my girl them cheat on me or so. No, bro. I feel like me is a good man. I pay the bills.
I'm one of the man that thinks that once you spend your money, girl like a good automatic. Me I want good man. You can't spend no amount of money if you please them ungrateful, wicked bumbuckler termite. If a girl is about money, the relationship they gonna last as long as you have money.
Yo, Jaja, yo, Nation, it seems like man them saying them a gyal clown is a you better go call governor for that one. You see me I say? Nation, y'all tell me if Valiant and Jeffrey is really tripping for them I say. But let's take a listen.
When you notice about them last 2 lines there, what I sing a while ago. If you said majority of the youth them only a focus on sex as it relates to woman, them leave it right there, sir. This woman now fi honest, she not fi loyal, she not fi do nothing. All she have to do a come with good sex. You know what happen? Man I think like girl now. Believe it or not, it not have to be nothing else but the front. No virtuosity needed, no qualities, no honesty. As long as the front good, him good. And me not say woman not forget money. I would have never said that. But woman forget money. I wonder if you understand me just a while ago. But the youth them nowadays, majority of them things that once a girl look good and you get her, are your woman. Big mistake. Alright, so first of all, I want to know if you understand, say, I take no offense to this song. Cause me not buy pussy. And a real girl, I chat to when I chat to girl, I not chat to waste girl. So I know me that song you talk about, but I still offering. Nonetheless, you can't wish death from people for situations where not everybody can help instantly. Meaning, I know everybody rich overnight and have money for just spend on a girl. Of course, you know if you have millions and your woman a beg. Foolishness. But root word, woman a beg. There's a difference between a woman who put in the work in a relationship for it to work. Relationship is a two-way street. No matter nobody trick on the youth. Working hard and get your money and just spend it on a girl with no return whatsoever, a slavery. When you see them girl in the comment section that talk about man mean and this and that and mean man or going on them feelings and all type of bullshit. Let me tell you something, man. You will be hated when you cannot be manipulated. It's simple. Why you never see one of them type yet say Jesus them man are hard for manipulating? Them always are gonna say you mean and boil it down to that. Even when them don't know your financial status. If you're not rich and have no money, brother, and waste it on a girl. All of them girl are prostitute now. That's no way now do. If a man did do a song, any artist do a song and say if a girl now run the front, she fi dead. When did I consider that? Matter of fact, instantly when you turn the artist there in a big old rapist and pervert. And they all about the place I say how him sick. One of the reoccurring theme when we see in the comment section when the war start between them and them and the waster might them. In the comment section, all of you this and you that, make sure you get another song. And you will know what kind of wicked girl in to the bumbuckler world. When the money tap come in, it's a demon you're there with. Matter of fact, me approve the Valiant and the rest of them youth are idiot. Look on a little clip from an interview where Valiant do with Jeffrey. I'm sure they're not serious about nothing what them say.
Me is a boy, me a real girl clown. Me just get her money same me. As long as me I get my pussy still in, me not respond to she and her man, you know.
I'm too emotional, dog. Me know a girl have our man, bro. And if I see them out, I should post a picture with them, I just get corrupt, brother. Some still must get corrupt, that them thing that piss me off, bro. You see me? Yeah, them thing that piss me off, dog.
Them thing that
but sometimes I hold it still.
Them thing that not too bother me still. But the spray say it not reach my back. That's all.
You can't pray for that thing.
Yeah.
No, don't even pray. Just know say. Just know say every time I reach, just open and know.
Boy,
just open
even one
and know.
that reach me too.
Just open and know.
Yeah, bro.
But that's how it goes. They say that never reach it. Or like I fuck on the real earth, like really like Abby and also slack up.
You know, so I feel like me is a good man. I feel like I fall short in no way. I feel like my girl them cheat on me or so. No, bro. I feel like me is a good man. I pay the bills.
Am I one of the man that thinks that once you spend your money, girl like a good automatic. Me I want good man. You can't spend no amount of money to please them ungrateful, wicked bumbuckler termite. If a girl is about money, the relationship they gonna last as long as you have money.
Nation, wanna tell me what you think in a comment box about this. You see me, I say, tell me if Valiant wrong. Or the Jamaican people, them tripping. But to me think Valiant completely wrong about what him say. You see me, I say, I think two them boy, them kinda young, them still a grow and them still a learn, they have a lot to learn, you see me? As what Tulax has said, I hope him come with the next hit song. Nation, a lot of people didn't know a beef going on with Ding Dong and Elephant Man throughout the years, but Ding Dong was asked on Nightly Fix about the beef and asked about Elephant Man. His journey coming up as a dancer in the dancehall scene. Let's take a listen.
Hey! You're too bad, man. And the man said, dang, me. I remember, I early this.
Yeah.
Our father.
Let me ask you this legitimately now, Ding. Like we're there. Was there any time you and him did have issues, and do you feel like people did that try pitting against one another?
The system did that all the while. Them try put people against one another.
And not just Elephant Man too, because I remember RDX, they had an issue, but RDX.
Yes, you're God's sake. I'm telling you now. Me I want God-fearing person, you know.
Yeah,
I just, you see more time
but
I pray.
But me take reload other people them too.
Reel them.
Yeah, like he was RDX, Stylo G too, yeah, but that may be more recent, but yeah. Well, yeah, I never really remember about Elephant Man, but quite a number of people, especially in the dancing.
Dancing King. Sorry. But yeah, Shelly Belly.
Shelly Belly, right, Shelly Belly, yeah. It's like
them good.
always want to make you a rival of theirs? Is it that you do things behind the scenes and then, you know, them come out and then make it public? Or is it that them just take things too deep and want to make an issue out of you because you are the king?
What you say a while ago? Say the last part there.
Allegedly the king of dance.
No, you never say allegedly. I'm glad me bring on you say no because it's when I interview other people and none them something.
Allegedly.
So you see everybody.
But like you're the king, you're at the top of this.
But when time when I interview the other people, I'm gonna say them thing there.
Yeah.
So you see
because
everybody.
it's their interview. This is yours. So we're hyping you
Me
up
never
now.
ask you if you say them something.
Yeah, but we're hyping you up now.
Me never good enough.
Yeah.
So me on the day so no, me on the still no good, but no good now. But
no,
everybody out there, what things say, oh, ding dong, tell them and ding dong, pay them to say this and rate.
Ding dong did that chorus or something to do with anything.
Romeich did.
Yeah, Romeich, him give him money. Yeah. Yo, nigga, what you think? Yo, the man really come here and back and do that. Yo, nigga, question everything though.
You know me just think about a while ago. The vlogger them know and everybody know. Clickbait something now. They want to get in here. They want a little part there now. Nightly fix.
Yeah,
a little part there. Oh, Romeich paid nightly fix rate. That them I use it for I never show no society.
Go on, let me get a freebie. Go on, what a business.
That's hilarious. Yeah.
Ellie and you know me I said to you know, like Ellie, vice mail. You see Ellie, I want me have the most love and respect for. Vice mail, same way, vice versa. Ellie the first person who called me name in a song in a bro. In a real life. Elephant Man. Tornado, big up Tornado. He reside in Liver Canada now. But Tornado you tell Ellie about Ding. See? When them do keeping it jiggy. But away the beddy. Me no see no dance like Tupac and Biggie. Them time that Bogle and John Hype must sing about, you know. And then put my name in the song.
Yeah, so
Santa Bomb. A 4 dance, I have another song there, you know. But guess what? Another day now, the 4 dance, a Santa Bomb kind of wall up out of the 4 dance because when time Matarana or Maestro, the man, anybody play that song, when you reach Santa Bomb, a mad thing. Everybody have to run with Bogle, John Hype, everybody have to run because Santa Bomb and stay so, and the foot them stay so. A prep, not in a real life. Everybody have to run with. But
fully yourself. I don't have a goal. I'm telling you. You gotta get in touch with me, you know, see tape on a hot bleach fast panadas. We jaggy Benz and up Cadillac. I'm a trippy night dome with a trippy night phone and I see tape bad as that. Yeah, she bring me one bad gal. Yeah, she give me knife in my
one time me talk enough before me do things I laugh about. Come and know what me can do. What's I don't know if you talk up. Now see the car in front and a judge with no liar, beg for no apples.
More money by Dropper Dan. Check him out on YouTube. Dropper Dan. Want more money. Nation Shannon Sharp faced in a $50 million lawsuit by a 22-year-old fitness trainer in LA at the moment.
The beginning of 2025. In the 13-page complaint obtained by ET, she also claims he threatened to kill her, beat her up, and recorded their sexual encounters without her consent. The alleged victim admits to being more than 30 years younger than the 56-year-old star and says she met him at an LA gym in 2023 when she was just 20. She filed under the pseudonym Jane Doe, but in this scathing denial, Sharp's legal team calls her out by name. She won't repeat it, but they're dubbing the suit a blatant and cynical attempt to shake down Mr. Sharp for millions of dollars. And they released a series of explicit text messages that they say prove this was a consensual adult relationship that included role-playing, sexual language, and fantasy scenarios. She's seeking $50 million. Sharp's lawyers say he's looking forward to fighting the allegations in court.
I hate to seem.
Yeah, Shannon, no tell me what you think in a comment box about this. Well, Shannon Sharp has saying that he's been set up and she's just trying to get money off him.
Speak to you directly and from the heart. This is a shakedown. I'm going to be open, transparent, and defend myself because this isn't right. This is all being orchestrated by Tony Busby, who has targeted Jay-Z. Tony Busby targets black men, and I believe he's going to release a 30-second clip of a sex tape that tries to make me look guilty and play into every stereotype you could possibly imagine. That video should actually be 10 minutes or so. Hey Tony, instead of releasing your edit, put the whole video out. I don't have...
Now let me stop this. Again, I do think Shorty's trying to shake down Uncle Shay Shay. I'm giving you my opinion up front, even though I got to cover this fairly. I do believe Uncle Shay Shay is a freaky ass nigga. And he probably should have stayed inside. But still, he is a freaky ass nigga. And when I read these messages...
Family, friends, supporters, and colleagues, I want to speak to you directly and from the heart. This is a shakedown. I'm going to be open, transparent, and defend myself because this isn't right. This is all being orchestrated by Tony Busby, who has targeted Jay-Z. Tony Busby targets black men, and I believe he's going to release a 30-second clip of a sex tape that tries to make me look guilty and play into every stereotype you could possibly imagine. That video should actually be 10 minutes or so. Hey Tony, instead of releasing your edit, put the whole video out. 10 minutes or so. Hey Tony, instead of releasing your edit, put the whole video out. I don't have it, or I would myself. You know what happened, and you're trying to manipulate the media. The encounter in question took place during the day at her invitation, and now that appears to be a deliberate setup, coordinated by Gabby, also known as Carly on OnlyFans. Gabby and Tony Busby want $50 million. What they're getting is sued for defamation and trying to take me down. My career is all about real talk and honesty. I know my family and fans know exactly what this is about. And I'm going to be out there telling you whatever I need to say, just like I always do. I love all you guys.
Girl in a bikini, everybody got a red cup.
So yo, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Big up everybody we are watch, big up everybody we are share it. Is me I say, me appreciate you all on. You know what I mean? Until next time guys, we out.